If you've been wondering how to delete all of your messages on Facebook Messenger, I need to start with the most important part right away. There is no built-in option that lets you delete every message in one single click. So in this video, I'll show you the closest method available, which is deleting each conversation one by one, the right way, so you know exactly what to expect and don't waste time looking for a feature that isn't there. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple step-by-step tech guides. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Facebook and look for the messenger icon in the top right corner of your screen. This is where all of your recent chats and messages are stored. Once you click that icon, you'll see a small messenger window pop up with your conversations. From there, click See All in Messenger. This takes you into the full Messenger inbox where you can manage your chats more easily. Now you'll need to open the conversation you want to remove. Keep in mind that Messenger does not give you one master delete button for all conversations, so you'll be repeating these steps for every chat you want to clear. When the conversation opens, look for the three dots, also shown as the More Options menu. Click on that and you should see several actions appear. One of those options will be Delete Chat. Select it carefully because this is the step that removes the entire conversation from your inbox. After that, Messenger will usually ask you to confirm your choice. Click Delete again to finish removing that chat. Once you do that, the conversation should disappear from your Messenger list. Now just repeat the same process for each conversation you want to delete. Open the chat, click the three dots, choose Delete Chat, and confirm by clicking Delete. It's a manual process, but it's currently the only available way to clear out multiple Messenger conversations from your side. A very important thing to remember is that deleting a chat on your account does not always mean it is deleted from the other person's account. In many cases, you are only removing it from your own inbox, so if your goal is to erase a message everywhere, that is a different process and may not be possible for older conversations, so it's always a good idea to think carefully before deleting anything. If you have a lot of messages, this can take some time, so I recommend starting with the most important conversations first. You can work through your inbox a few chats at a time until everything is cleaned up. That way, the process feels much easier and more manageable. And that's it. Again, there is no option to delete all messages at once on Facebook Messenger, but now you know exactly how to delete each conversation manually. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick and useful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.